is lesson 22 for clarinet. We will play numbers 51 and 54. Alright, you should have already looked through these, ready to go. Okay, number 51, that just reviews the eighth notes that we've worked on. Okay, so go ahead and look through that. A quick note for you clarinet players. Measure 3, we have D, 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 B, B. Make sure it is that second finger B, not first finger because that's B flat. So make sure it's second finger B. Okay? Alright, let's play through it. 1, 2, ready. Alright, did you get all the notes right? Did you tap your foot? Did you count in your head? If you did all of that, then chances are you played it correct. Okay? You'll notice there are some words written on this piece other than skip it, Lou, other than the title. Like for instance, on the first measure it says solo or soli. A solo means you play by yourself. So we may play it in class where only one person plays that. Or for soli, that means the section plays it. So maybe we'll just have the clarinet section play that. And then on the third measure it says tutti. Okay? Tutti means the entire group, means everybody or all. Okay? So the whole band would play that. Alright? Now look down to number 54. Baffling bar lines. For this one, sorry I'm shaking the camera. For this one, there's a little note, a footnote at the bottom of it that says, write in the counting and draw in the bar lines before you play. You don't have to write in the counting unless you have trouble with it in a spot and you would like to. Then by all means go ahead. Okay? But I do want you to draw in the bar lines. Okay? We will check that during class, but make sure you've drawn it in correctly. Our time signature is 4/4, so we have 4 beats per measure. So I'll give you the first one. We have a half note C, then a half note E. That's 4 counts, right? So after the E, you're going to draw a bar line. Okay? Just make sure it's every 4 counts. Okay? In the meantime, let me give you our code word. Our code word for lesson 22 is embouchure. Okay? I've spelled it on the board here. E-M-B-O-U-C-H-U-R-E. Sorry, I'll let you see that there. Okay? Embouchure. It is how, the definition of an embouchure is how we form our lips around our mouthpiece, as flutes do for the head joint. It's how we form our lips to make sound. That is your embouchure. For instance, on the first lesson we talked about keeping this tight, keeping this tight, keeping this tight. Okay? That means my embouchure is tight all around. Okay? Alright, let's play through number 54. 1, 2, ready. Alright, just remember to draw in your bar lines because we will check that during class. That was lesson 22. Thank you for joining me.